Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Austin. Happy birthday to you.
Where's this candle? Where's this candle?
Did you blow the candle out? How old are you? You're 3?
Yeah.
How many is that on your finger?
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, Austin. Are you ready to eat some cake? What kind of cake is that?
Donatello?
Is that a Donatello? What is Donatello?
Donatello's green.
And what kind of animal is he?
Ninja turtle.
He's a ninja. He's not just a turtle. He's a ninja turtle. All right. I love you. You ready to eat some cake?
Yep. No. Hey, Dad want to eat that cake.
Why? Do you think you're going to eat that whole cake right there?
Dad want to eat that cake.
Jack's going to eat this cake and you're going to eat that cake?
Yep.
All by yourself?
Look, it's Leonardo. It's Donatello. Donatello. And Raphael. And yellow.
Well, I love you. I'm glad you're feeling better.
Hey.
Are you ready to eat some cake?
Yep. Hey.
Yummy.
Hey. I get a plate.
Did you get a plate?
Yeah, I get a plate first. I get a plate.
What's on your socks?
Maybe that. Yeah.